How to open a Vanguard investment account. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To open up a Vanguard investment account, firstly launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, you need to search for www.vanguard.com. Wait until you are redirected to the official website of your Vanguard. Now over here you need to navigate to the button of Open an Account, where you will find various of account type. Those would be individual brokerage account. Those are for your general investing. Then you have the retirement account. Those are the traditional IRA, Roth IRA or SEP IRA. If you wish for a shared ownership, click on Joint Account. For managing assets, tap on Trust Account. After you select your account type, you need to fill in your personal details including your name, social security number, address and contact information. Choose how you want to fund your account, through direct bank transfer, mail a check, or wire transfer. You can decide how much you want to invest in your Vanguard. The investment option ranges from a mutual fund, ETF, stock, and bonds. Make sure to carefully review your application, then tap on Submit It. And just like that, with a simple process, you get yourself your very own Vanguard investment account. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.